Shri Maharaja Sanajaobana.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to participate in the discussion of Manipur budget for the financial year 2025-2026, which was passed in Lok Sabha on 7 August 2025. Sir, the Government of India has sanctioned a total outlay of Rs 30,969.44 crores, equivalent to 35,103.90 crores, proposed in 17 March 2025. This budget aims to restore trust and stability in the strife-torn state Manipur, with key provisions targeted to stabilize Manipur's conflict-hit economy and addressing ethnic violence and displacement. Some of the significant allocations are in relief and rehabilitation sectors. Total allocation is Rs 1,065 crores. In security and infrastructure sectors, total allocation is Rs 5,241 crore. In social and development sector, total allocation is 11,520 crores. Sir, with the collective efforts of the central and the state government, there has been improvement in the law and order situation in the state. To some extent, I am sure that things will improve in the state soon and peace will prevail again. But if I have not mentioned some few points with the extension of President's rule in the state for another 6 months with effect from 13 August 2025, I may be mistaken by the people of Manipur. The following are the points which I would like to mention. Number 1, the 2 national highways of Manipur, namely National Highway 2, Imphal Dimapur, and the National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam, are still not allowed to move freely for the Meitei community due to strict prohibition by Sin Kuki groups residing in the hills for the last 2 years or more. So the national highways should be allowed free movements for Meitei community as soon as possible. Number 2, the internally displaced person IDPs numbering around 55,658 from over 10,000 families and taking shelter in 262 relief camps are yet to return to their respective homes even after completion of 2 years. They are still facing a very unsettled life, so they should be allowed to return to their respective homes by availing special rehabilitation packages because they are about to start their lives from zero. Number 3, the President's rule in Manipur should take up necessary actions regarding the advisory of Ministry of Home Affairs, MISA, dated 19 May 2025 for the detection, identification and deportation of illegal foreign nationals, namely Myanmaris, Bangladeshis and others, within 1 month. But no concrete actions are seen taken up from the state government till that. So this advisory of MISA should be expedited at the earliest based on 1961 as cut year before conducting national census and delimitation process. Number 4, the porous Indo-Myanmar border Manipur sector of 398 kilometers long should be strictly monitored and checked by some neutral and dutiful central forces like BSF to stop cross-border infiltrations of illegal immigrants while the entire border is being fenced by Government of India. Number 5, in a democratic countries, people want to have a popular government. So my humble appeal is that a popular government should be reinstalled in Manipur as and when law and order situation in the state is completely improved. By doing so, the PR, the President's rules in the state will be more meaningful and appreciated. Last but not the least, I am thankful to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, and Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman for the continued support given to this state, especially for the special package given in this budget. The special package of Rs 2,898 crores announced by the Honorable Finance Minister on 7 August 2025 in the Lok Sabha will help Manipur in its recovery. this support for the internally displaced, asset creation for rehabilitation efforts, security expenses, and the prepayment of high interest loan will help Manipur in supporting those displaced and also in its economic recovery. I am also grateful to all those who have put in the effort while preparing this budget and ensuring that Manipur gets the support it needs. Lastly, I request the central government to continue its support for Manipur so that the state can recover and contribute to the growth and development of this country. With these few words, I conclude my speech on Manipur Budget 2025-26. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.